Hello and good day, guys, and welcome to introduction to stop loss. As we've covered in our documentation, we said what stop loss does is to help minimize our loss in the event of bad trade. For example, let's assume we analyze the particular coin and said the coin is supposed to move from 100 to 150, but based on some bad news, the fundamental analysis, the coin started dropping from 100 below, and we don't want to be looking at it dropping from 180, 70, 60. No. So we want to actually minimize our loss to save our capital that we started trading with. So what we are going to do is to set what we call stop loss. Stop our loss. That's what it simply means. So I'm going to be using a particular trade. For example, let me use this ERUD/BTC, and let's assume I already have ERUD. How do I know I have ERUD? Okay, from here I can see that I have ERUD. I think it's a bonus given to me. Actually, I can't tell how it appeared, but let's assume I have ERUD here. What I'm going to do is I want to set, I bought ERUD, let's say at 50. Let's say I bought, it's trading at 54, it's trading at 55 here, 0.00005, and I actually don't want it, and I said, okay, let me buy this ERUD at 55. So I bought ERUD at 55, and I said, should in case it starts coming down and gets to 50, it should sell for me. You understand? I don't want too much loss. It should sell for me once it gets to 50. Let's say I've calculated percentage. I said I invested $100 in this ERUD, and I said I don't want to lose more than $10. So 10% of $10 is 10% of $100 is $100. 2% of $100. So you can also calculate your percentages like that. You understand? So when you calculate your percentages like that, you will determine when and where to set. So we have 2% of $100. We say that it's 2. You get? Now what do? We can say when we minus 2 from our 55, our 55 sat, because that 2 we are talking about is Satoshi, 2 sats. So we minus it from this 55, it's going to give us 53. So we just want to lose 2% of our investment should in case the trade goes against us. What we are going to do is click on this place. Sorry guys. Click on this place, stop limit. Click on stop limit. Click on stop limit, select stop limit. You might also see limit order and or select stop limit. Click on this plus sign. You'll be seeing 0.0000, then reduce it to the price you've calculated. We've calculated 53, we said 53. We calculated 53, we said 53. You get? And we said we want to sell 100%. We look 25, 50, 75, 100. I've said to us before that 25% means you are selling 25% of the coin you bought. 50 means you are selling 50. 75 means you are selling 75. 100 means you are selling everything. So at this point, I want to sell every of my ERUD. So I'm selling 390.9958 ERUD. So I'm going to click on 100%. If I click on 50%, it's going to divide it by half for me. I don't know if we are seeing here. I don't know if we are seeing there. So if I click on 100, it changes it to 390. I don't know if you are seeing it. Now I'm selling 100. So what I'm going to do is I will click on sell. it will tell me that if the last price drops to or below 53, an order to sell my 390 ERD at a price of this will be placed. Should I continue, yes or no? I will click yes. If I click yes, it will not sell for me automatically because the price is still trading at 55.56. Until the price now gets to 53, that's when it will sell for me. That is what we call stop loss. Now, there's other way you can adjust your stop loss. I'm going to teach you that as well. Now, let's assume you bought ERD at 20 sats. 20 sats. You bought it at 0.000020. And you just want 100% of the coin. You just want to make 100%. You use, let's say, $100 to buy ERD at 20 sats. So you want 100% of your $100, which is going to be $200, right? Yes. And by that time it's $200, the 0.0020 must have gotten to 0.00040, right? It must have doubled for it to be 100%. So what we are going to do, we are still trying to minimize loss, right? So this coin now moved from 0.000002. Let me be using 20 sats and all. So this coin moved from 20 sats to 30 sats. It has done roughly 50% for us, right? So what we are going to do, because we don't want to lose that in case it start dumping back, it start dropping back, we don't want to lose the 50% we have managed to gain. So what we are going to do is come to this. Remember we have set our stop loss. Let's assume we bought at that 20 sats and we set our stop loss at 18 sats. Now the coin now moves from 20 to 30. We still need to maintain our stop loss, but at this time not at 18 sats. What we are going to do is we move our stop loss to 28 sats. You get? We move our stop loss to 28 sats since it's trading at 30. The reason is because we don't want to lose the 50% that we have managed to gain. Now, if the coin moved from 30 sats to 40 sats, we have actually gained 100%. But if we look at the chart and we see that the chart is still promising to go up, what we are going to do is to adjust this our stop loss. Adjust it to 38 since the coin is trading at 40. So if the coin wants to dump, it will just sell for us and we will just go home with 90%. If we don't want, we can still sell it at that 40 sats. We can just place a sell order at 40 sats. Just like that. And it will sell for us. But because we notice that the coin will continue to go up, the more it continues to go up, the more you need to constantly adjust your stop loss. If it start trade now, it's trading at 56, we can put our stop loss 54. If it start trading at 70, we can put our stop loss 67. We are adjusting it. We are going up as the coin is going up. That is should in case the price of the coin wants to come down. Once it starts coming down and hit 67 and hit 67 and hit 67, it should sell for us. That's just what we mean by stop loss. Stop our loss. Even when we are in profit, we wanted 100%, but we noticed that the coin must still go up. We can move our stop up a bit. Now we are in profit actually. When we move that our stop above, we are already in profit, but we want to maintain a particular percentage we want to lose out of that profit we are already in. We are already in 100% profit at 40 sats, but we notice the coin wants to go up as well. We want to maintain the percentage loss we want to get from the profit we are in, so we can just place stop loss at 38. So when it dumps, we just lose 10%. So we'll just go home with 90%. That's everything that talks about stop loss and adjusting stop loss when you are in profit. If we are not in if you bought the coin at 20 and it's still trading at 20, place your stop loss at 18. Remember how we got the 18? We said 2%. You bought the coin, so 2% of the coin you bought. I already gave you guys documentation on how you can calculate that. So I think this video should well explain the stop loss and how you can manage your trade. Thank you guys, and give this video a thumbs up.